Hi, it's Sukrit from STEM Coder, and in today's video we're going to find the derivative of the natural logarithm. So let's get started. Up here I've got the standard limit definition of the derivative, where my function f of x is equal to the natural log of x. So I use this cool property of logs to get from here to here, and from here to here I've simply broken this up into two terms, x over x plus h over x. That gives us 1 plus h over x. But it looks like we're stuck, so where do we go from here? Well, here's a cool trick. Why don't we do a substitution over here? I'm going to set this variable y is equal to h over x. And if y is equal to h over x, then h is also equal to y times x, and x is equal to h over y. So let's go ahead and make the substitution real quick. I'm going to use a different color marker here. It's going to be equal to a limit as h goes to 0 of the natural log of 1 plus y, and what is 1 over h? Well, that's going to be 1 over x times y, right? So what do we do from here? We see we have a limit as h goes to 0 of an expression which does not have any h in it. But look closely. As h approaches 0, doesn't y also approach 0? Because y is actually just h divided by x. So as h goes to 0, this y also goes to 0. So I can actually write this limit as the limit as y goes to 0 as opposed to h goes to 0. So now once again we're going to go ahead and rearrange some stuff. I can actually factor this 1 over x out of this exponent and write it like this. The limit y goes to 0. I'm going to use the log property again. The 1 over x I've taken out of the natural log of 1 plus y to the power of 1 over y. And just look over here. Euler's number E is defined as the limit as some number x goes to 0 of 1 plus x to the power of 1 over x. And that's exactly what we have over here inside this. This over here is actually Euler's constant. So this can further be simplified into 1 over x times the limit y goes to 0. Note that I've taken the 1 over x out of the limit expression because this doesn't have any y's inside. And this over here can simply be written as natural log of e. This whole thing over here is just Euler's constant. And we all know that the natural log of e is just 1. So this goes to 1 over x times the limit as y goes to 0 of 1. And this, as we know, is simply equal to 1 over x. So we have shown that the derivative of the natural log of x is equal to 1 over x. Make sure you know this because we'll be using it a lot in future lessons. I hope you found this video helpful.